Wondering why the markets seem louder and more unpredictable than ever? Interested about what's really driving the headlines, the volatility, and the investor panic? Want to cut through the confusion and focus on what truly matters for your investments? Then you're about to get insights from our financial expert, Mr. Ramalingam, who's with us today. Mr. Ramalingam, can you enlighten us on this?
If we could understand what is the source of the noise, then it is much easier for us to manage and mute noise. So from the source itself, we can arrest the noise. Generally, the noise arises from trends that is happening in the market. Generally, these trends are highlighted in the headlines, news, again breaking news. All those things are predominantly because of trends. So what kind of trends this market has seen already? For long-term investors, they will be able to relate to all these trends. But one thing what we have to clearly understand is these trends have not given any long-term wealth to investors. These are all false narratives. See, in the year 1999, when the technology boom was happening, they created an acronym called TMT, Technology, Media, and Telecom Companies. They told these three segments are going to be the future. Compared to manufacturing, these companies are going to invest in these companies. Any company which simply changes their name, let us say like Holistic Financial Services is my company name. In the year 1999, if I could have changed my company name just to Holistic Financial Technologies Services, immediately if I launch an IPO, it gets oversubscribed. That was a kind of mania it had. Similarly, 2002, information technology, communication, entertainment. Similar to TMT, people were simply investing in these kind of companies. But during 2000-2001 crash, these two TMT and ICE companies had major fall. Similarly, infrastructure and power IPO trend, but those trends didn't give returns. The Reliance Power IPO was launched during this peak, but subsequently it went into a penny stock. Then real estate bubble happened in 2005 to 2008. See, like in 2008, I still remember I saw news, market crashed in 2008. Similarly, real estate prices have also come down. The news was reported like this many crores, right? 10,000 crores got lost in the stock market in a single day. That is how generally they report, right? That is got reported. Same thing that has happened to real estate also. Real estate rate has come down, but it got reported as now real estate market has become buyer's market. When the real estate value goes down also, they have to report it like this much money, people have lost it. My property is worth 1 crore today because real estate prices are coming down by 20%. Price value will come down to 80 lakhs. So I have lost 20 lakhs from the market value perspective. That is what they report. They are supposed to report. For stocks, they are reporting it that way. But real estate, they don't report it that way. Similarly, financial services companies boom happened between 2015 and 2018. But again, we had ILFS, THFL crisis, Yes Bank, defaulting their bonds happened. Then ESG was a theme that got framed in 2020 to 2022, but didn't give much higher risk. 2021, 20 to 21, again, like crypto mania was, and suddenly crypto mania vanished again in 2022-23. Slowly again it is picking up now. But does it create real wealth for investors is a big question mark. Similarly, created in 2021-22, small cap super cycle. Small cap is going to be the future. So invest all your money in small cap, including your emergency money, large cap money, put everything in small cap. That was the kind of projection that was given in 2023-24. Even people were ready to invest more money in small cap. Then the next trend, the recent trend now, what is happening is gold. Gold rates are going up. Gold rates last 10 years has given this many percentage return. So invest more money in gold. We don't know about geopolitical risk. So gold is safe haven. We don't invest in gold. Now, my simple question to you is, in 2023-24, people were more comfortable investing in small cap. But all those investors suffered in 2020 because they simply chose to follow the trend. Then now gold rates have gone up. Let me invest more money. What will happen to gold in 2026? We have to wait and see. So generally when we chase a trend, this is what happens. We chase a trend reverses, we book loss, so we have less money now. Now reinvest in the next trend. Again, that trend reverses later. Now book loss. So every time the trend reverses, you book loss and you have less money. So you re-enter new trend money. You can't do this after some point in time because you will have no. So just because something is hot, something is performing better, something is giving you extremely good returns, doesn't mean that they will give you good returns in the next year also, in the next 3 years, 5 years also. So small caps have given good returns. doesn't mean that they will give you good returns in the next 1 year, 2 year. Gold is giving you good returns doesn't mean that next year or year after they'll be giving you good returns. Past performance is no guarantee for future performance. Simple.
Thank you for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. Also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. Link to the webinar is given in the description below, and the webinar is absolutely free. So if you like this video, hit like, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.